and welcome to Hoodies Design. I am Erica Hoodies, and I have a special guest here home from college making a guest appearance as we bleach our hoodies. So this video will be a short tutorial on what I do in my process of bleaching a hoodie. I got an order for one of our Hoodies bleach hoodies, and if you like what you see, you can go to our website, which I'll put it right here at www.hoodies.com, and you can order your very own hoodie. So let's get started. Okay, here we have a black hoodie. It is just a plain black hoodie, nothing really special about it. And I like to use the low splash bleach so I can control it. And then I have one of my bottles I use when I do tie-dye. And we're gonna use these two to get our hoodie all bleached up. Okay, first thing I like to do is wet my hoodie. So I take it and I don't like soak it, but I do make it like extremely damp so it can kind of just get into it. So I put my water on. I like to use my spray so I can kind of control where I'm going to get it wet. And then I just kind of do like that. So I want to make sure that it's nice and damp the way I want it to be nice and damp. So the bleach will really kind of melt through, kind of move it around in my sink. Kind of wring it through. And that seems to be pretty wet to me. I want to make sure, because however my wetness is, and when I put it in there, it'll kind of take the shape of the pattern that it looks like. And so I really like to make sure that I have it wet the way I want it. And again, I kind of just wring it through. And we move over to our next step. Okay, now I have a plastic laid out because once we put our hoodie here, I'm gonna roll it up in the plastic and let it sit for a little while. So I bring my hoodie over, and I usually like to fold it out. So I'll take it and kind of fold it over. And I grab my bottle. I've already put my bleach in it. And I start with my pattern. And as you can see, it's already starting to give it a little bit of a different look. All right, so I'm going to fold this back up. Kind of get my little sleeve. And I might do this a second time to just kind of figure out where I want to have some areas bleached. All right. So I'm going to roll it up in my plastic like this. And then I'll let it sit, and then we'll come back in a minute. Okay, part two with our hoodie. We don't want to leave the bleach in there too long because we don't want it to eat through there and create holes. And so far, this is what we're looking at. So our next step is we're going to go ahead on and rinse the bleach out and throw this puppy in the dryer and finish up our finished product. I'm so excited. I think it turned out awesome. And we're just going to keep moving forward so we can get this baby done and move on to our next project. Okay, now we are at the final phase of our project. My sweatshirt turned out awesome. I am super happy about it. We just finished weeding our logo design that's going to go on the front, and so now we are going to press our shirt and go ahead on and add that logo to it and then see the finishing product. So here we go. We want to make sure that we get it in there in our heat press, and it's very hot, so be careful when you're laying it in there. And then we have our design, which we're going to put right down in the front. We may just press it twice, just to make sure we get everything on there. Cut off a little bit of the extra. Okay. And I always like to take it out and kind of look at it and make sure it is centered where I want it to be. Take it out, I kind of look at it. Looks like I need to probably scoot it over just a hair. Right here. Take a look at it one more time. All right. Super excited. I got this order that they wanted it for a 15-year-old, and they wanted something kind of custom. So here we go. And if you're anything like me, you probably want to look at it 20 times, but eventually you just got to go ahead on and do it. You want to make sure that it looks right and it's centered, and I think we're good here. All right. All right, here we go. And then there's a timer on here, so you don't have to kind of guess how long you want it in there. So we have it on for exactly 15 seconds, and then we're going to take it off, and I'm going to press it one more time just to make sure we got the whole image and that it is down and ready to go. I'm going to scoot it up just a hair and do it one more time. But this time I won't let it go as long, so we'll probably do it to about 7, so half of the time, and lift it up. And then peel. Oh, that looks amazing. I absolutely love it. So do not forget to hit that subscription button. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and subscribe to Hoodies Design, because I'm Erica Hoodies, and I'm going to be doing some more tutorials as I do other things. So hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do a video. And thank you for watching. I hope you found how to bleach a hoodie very easy, and this video was helpful. And leave us a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.